How many times has your fan company let you down? Downtime is expensive, and the wrong fan partner costs even more. Lost production, missed targets, safety risks, off-the-shelf fans and quick rebuilds may look like savings at first, but they can't keep up with the demands of a modern mine. The question is simple: how long can you afford to be out of production? We do things differently. We start by listening, we hear you, and we solve your ventilation problems. Our systems aren't one size fits all. They're turnkey packages, engineered for your mine today and designed to grow with your operation tomorrow. We keep critical parts in stock, and our service team is on call 24/7 because your mine doesn't stop, and neither do we. And with more than 65 years of underground experience, we've learned something you can't download: how to build systems that last and how to keep them running. We outwork the competition. We reinvest in ourselves so we can deliver for you. Because Paul always said, money should never dictate a quality fan job. We design practical, reliable, future-proof ventilation systems, solutions that extend your production rates, reduce downtime, and keep you safe. Let us be your safety net. When your fan fails, who will you call? Ghostbusters? Or the only company committed to being your true production partner? From the first call to after-sale support, we've got you. Paul's Fan Company, ventilation solutions that keep you moving.